In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved YouTube videos on desktop. If you've ever saved a video to watch later or organized content into your own playlists and then wondered where it all went, this will clear it up. We're focusing on the YouTube website on a computer, so everything you see should match what I'm describing. Start on the YouTube homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Library. This is the central place YouTube uses to collect everything tied to your account, including your viewing history, your playlists, and your watch later list. If your screen is narrower or the menu looks compact, you might only see icons. In that case, hover over the menu or click the menu icon to expand it so the word Library becomes visible. Make sure you're signed in to the right account because your library is unique to the account you're using. Clicking Library opens a page that gathers your saved content in an easy-to-scan layout. Near the top, you may see recent videos you've watched and any playlists you've interacted with. Scroll a bit and you'll find the Playlists section. This is where your saved videos live in an organized way. Within Playlists, look for Watch Later. This is YouTube's built-in playlist that automatically collects videos you've chosen to save for another time. Selecting Watch Later will show you every video you've saved there with the most recent, usually at the top. You can play from here, quickly remove items you're done with, or continue where you left off. Just below or alongside Watch Later, you'll see any playlists you've created yourself. These could be collections like tutorials, music mixes, or anything you've grouped for easy access. Opening any of these playlists shows all the videos you added. If you manage multiple playlists, note the small options menu on each playlist tile. It lets you adjust details like privacy or order, keeping everything tidy without leaving the library page. That's really all there is to it. Head to Library from the left-hand menu, then check the Playlists section to find Watch Later and your created playlists. It's a simple habit that makes YouTube feel more organized and helps you get back to the content you care about in just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your saved videos.